Sorry, I should have stopped joking. Okay, can I get someone please to be brave and start us off here for two? What's the first step I have to do? I'm not going to Spider-Man here if nobody goes first. Good. Somebody please be brave. Yeah, thank you. The exponent first. Okay, so what's 2/5 times 2/5? Close. Because you're doing 2 times 2 and 5 times 5, right? 5 times 5 is 10.
Oh, yeah.
So it's going to be 5, 4 25ths. That's okay. Now, hold on a sec. Now, before I heard Mia say everything's wrong. Now, here's the thing. On your test, it's not like I give a check for a right answer and X for a wrong one. This will probably be like a 4 marker one. So you get 3.5 out of 4 is what you get. Okay, so don't worry, that's fine. All right. Oh, my mind's gone blank. Craig, can you be brave and tell me what to do next?
4/25 times 1/8.
Yeah. What's that going to be? This is a big number.
4/200.
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, we'll change the 1/50 in a sec. Zoe, can you change 4.5 to an improper fraction for me, please? No, not that. Sorry, this one here. Can you change this one to an improper fraction for me, please? There will be 1/50. 9/2, yes. Divided by 9/2 plus 2. Okay, so as Zoe said, and Craig, I'm going to change that 4/200 for sure to 1/50. Okay, so things are starting to look good. All right. Emma, what do we do next, please?
Divide 1/50 by 9/2.
Good, so what do you do when you divide fractions?
With the 9/2.
Very good. So it's going to be 1/3 plus 1/50 times 2/9 plus 2. All right, Ryan, you show up the multiplication skills for the class. What's 1 times 2, please? 2. Okay, that was the easy part. 50 times 9.
450.
450. And I'll explain to the class how you're such a good multiplier for that. Hopefully what Ryan did is he realized 50 is sort of like 5 with a 0 on the end. So we hopefully did 5 times 9 is 45, and I just put a 0 on the end. Okay, that's probably the way to do that one. Okay. Now we need a common denominator. Laura, I'm going to pick on you. Please tell me that 3 goes into 450. Please tell me that. Does 3 go into 450? I hope it does. Actually, wait, stop. What do I do before I change it to, what do I do before I do that? Yeah, I'm doing a million the lowest terms, right, for sure. What's 2 divided by 450 turn into?
1/2.
Thank you. Okay, so I got stressed out there for a minute, okay? By the way, the numbers won't be this big on your test, just so you know, okay? Now, Jonathan, does 3 go under 225? Please tell me that it does.
Yes.
Good. So 1/3 is going to change into what over 225? So what do times 3 times what gives 225?
75.
Okay, 75. That comes out to 75, that comes out to 75. Okay, so Jonathan, you're not done yet. What's 75 times 1?
5.
What's 75 times 3? Oh, sorry, 225. All right, we're looking good here. Michaela, now you get the hardest question of the day. What do I do with that plus 2 at the end?
2/1.
Good, 2/1. Now, so as an equivalent fraction, very good, excellent. Did everyone see that? That was the other trick. People will freak out about this on the test. What do I do with that 2/1 when I'm trying to add it to 1/225? What does it turn into? You need your calculator if you need to. What's the common denominator going to be?
like you have to multiply then,
Yeah,
225 by 2?
yeah, right on. So you times this by 225?
4 something?
450. And the numbers, as I said, won't be disclosed tomorrow. Okay. Now this is a big number, okay? This is huge. Okay, this is enormous. So big, Sophia, you can use your calculator if you need to, or you can add that up in your head. Can you add that for me, by any chance? That's a big number. Well, 75 plus 1 is 76, we'll start there. Okay, that one we got. And then plus 450 is a big number. $602. Okay, how do I know this is in lowest terms? Oh, nobody wants to volunteer? Yeah, go ahead.
450 plus 75 is 500.
Yeah.
What I was thinking, I got 500 points.
That makes
Yeah.
more sense. I shouldn't shut my brain off, sorry, my mistake. Thank you, Kayla. How do I know that's in lowest terms? Well, just, let's look at 526, that divides by 2, right? And you wanna, exactly that?
Well, because 225 can only be divided by 5.
Yeah.
And obviously 526 can be divided by 5.
Right on, okay. And I'm okay to leave it like that, okay? Now this was a level, probably 9 out of 10 difficulty, so this was relatively tough, the way this one was. The keys that I want you to remember all the way through is bring the lowest terms whenever you can. Okay, that's going to make your question so much smaller. Do one step at a time. Notice this question took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines to do. There'll be somebody in this class, let's call him Mason. He's going to try and do it in 2 steps. Mason, don't do that. You said you could take a joke, right? You can take a joke, but, okay. Yes.
So what I did when I was like, whatever, halfway through, I just did 4 over 25 times like 1 over 8, and then I just like made it smaller. Were you allowed doing that?
Yeah. So you can go right to, from, whoops.
Like
You
I
mean from here to
crossed,
here?
like I did
Yeah.
4 over 8, like 4
Yeah.
and then 8, I made it like 2. Can you do that?
Right on, go to that. You just got to show me something like this so I know what you're doing, okay?
But that would work
Yeah.
for like any question.
Yeah, any question? If you took a look, we just took, you just went one, skipped one line, right? You went a lot, you were more efficient, you went right to this line and what's that, that's okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go to the end here. Now, any major questions? This was difficult. This was like 9 out of 10 difficulty. So the question easier than this, there might be one harder, I don't know. I'm gonna put one at least this difficulty on here, just so that everyone doesn't get 100%, okay? Well, I can't let everyone get 100%. Okay.
Oh.
Brooke, how are you feeling? Okay, this is sort of coming back to you from last week. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a quick review of what's going to be on the test. Okay, it's basically everything we just did there, but I'm going to write it out just to make sure you don't forget anything. Okay, here's going to be on test number 1, which is now Wednesday. Okay, I hope that everyone has these 5 things, but I'll be formally checking them on Wednesday. Okay, that's what I'm formally checking. I'll go through your notes, and I want you to show me all these things with your pencil. We will hopefully see on your underlining things. Calculator, we don't, I guess probably don't need tomorrow's test, okay, right? But binder graph, if you want me to go since by Wednesday, okay? So if you've forgotten to get them over the weekend, please write, please write some. Oh my goodness, I'm following now. Please write them down on paper somewhere so you can get it. Okay? So here's on the test. Here we go. The only 3 things. Number 1 is integers. That'll be adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing. Step number 2 is fractions, which you've seen a lot of this weekend, I bet. And step number 3 is BEDMAS. That's the 3 things we did in this unit. Okay, it seems like more because BEDMAS sort of encompasses everything. Okay, make sure you're comfortable with all 3 of those things. There will be a plain integers question, there will be a plain fractions question, no BEDMAS, and then BEDMAS at the end. Yes?
Will the questions be like all of them like combined? Or will
Yeah,
it,
there'll be a lot of, there will be probably one single one like this, one single one like this, and then the rest will be combined. Okay, because it, oh, my hair is so heavy. Okay. The thing is, I want you guys to be comfortable with numbers and not be afraid, because after this unit, you'll never have as hard questions for BEDMAS the whole rest of the year. Does that make sense? Okay, so once you've done this, any BEDMAS question, I want you to say, I can do it, no problem. Do you count that as one joke? Do you count that as one joke?
Yeah.
oh, sorry, favorite class to go to.
There's so many people with more hair than you are.
Just keep them coming, these are great.
All right, I'm going to do a simple integers question, then a simple fractions, then a big BEDMAS, and then I'll give you guys some time to work. If you're done, I can put more questions on the board if you're done with your assignment, but if not, I'll give you a little bit of time to work today. Here we go. A nice integers question. All right, I'm going to pause the video and give you guys a few seconds to try this out for me. Now, after your assignment, I'm hoping that you guys just nail these questions and knock them out.